Well, good morning. It's early. Gotta go get the other trailer. And we're gonna take this old girl down to the shop in Wilmington, see my brother, and get a new thermostat put in and a new front lip put on. So hopefully we'll enjoy the day. We got some good weather, but should be fun. We'll see how we do.
Thanks for hanging out with the channel today. We've got a 1995 Acura Integra in here. Belongs to my brother James. His name right down here in the bottom. You can check him out on Instagram too. Follow his stuff. He's got a really cool diesel truck. I'm sure you just saw it in the beginning. But we just need a thermostat in here because here lately it's just not been getting warm. So we're gonna put a thermostat in, and then he's got a front lip over here that we're gonna put on.
Nothing about the red wire.
Yeah. Shane and I spent a few days putting it together with a little help from James. With a little help from James here, and then he takes it to a professional dealer place to put in a stereo, and they put in this beautiful red wire that we're not going to mention. Not a very difficult job, but a little time consuming. Just got to take out the intake box here, get down into the thermostat. Alright, thermostat actually lives inside this little bit of housing right here, so we just got to take off this 10mm bolt back there behind it, and there's another one at the bottom right there. And then once we get those off, it's just gonna be a mess of coolant everywhere.
Oh yeah, there goes the fluid everywhere. That gasket is just haggard in there. Who knows how long it's been in there.
That's not looking good. Where'd that gasket go to right there? Yeah, that's pretty crusty too. Yeah, so that could be the reason why it's not getting warm in there. So we're gonna put a new thermostat in. Check it out. Here's the new stuff.
Oh, that looks much better.
Yeah, cool. So now we just got to put that on that. Make sure that the little weep hole right here is at the top. You got to put those little marks on the tabs right there into the little holes at the top. That's right.
Go ahead and put it in.
You got it, yeah. If it'll sit in there. So yeah, plug the fan switch back in, yeah.
Oh, it doesn't.
There it is. Thermostat's put back in, we just have to bleed this coolant out. That sound though. Looks like I got away with no leaks, so we'll go ahead and put the intake back on while this thing is bleeding out. Perfect run temperature.
You got plenty of screws.
Never throw bolts away.
Find the right one.
Put this lip on.
Just kind of set it up there, and it does have a little bit of modification needed, little fitting. It didn't all line up perfect, but I think we made the adjustments. The bumper was already pieced together somewhat.
Took a little
Through
hit
time.
right here.
Yeah, right after I got it painted in my driveway, it got back into Merry Christmas.
Yeah. Merry Christmas. Got the front lip put on. We're just gonna close everything up, set the car down, we'll take it outside, and then we'll take a good close look at it. The front lip turned out pretty good. Got the thermostat done. This guy can be on his way. This thing is all fresh now.
So I'm here in the shop. We just did the work on the Integra thermostat and all the license plates and everything that you see here. It's dope. Dope. But that one's mine. The Madspeed IS300. I had a Subaru in '97. A Volkswagen, but this was all before I got into Hondas. I did have a CRX back in the day there. That one's mine too, that Madspeed one. Some of these we can't show too fast because even some of mine, I don't know if I'm supposed to have turned them in. But it's a dope, everything mad. Stay mad, bro.
Oh, the little Mini Cooper. Little Mini Cooper there wanted to get a little piece.
All I did was pull out, man. Come on, no, man.
Maybe it's the Infinity?
It's the Infinity. I think maybe
Looks like the Mini Cooper's got exhaust.
I got a first driver's license. I don't need a speeding ticket.
think we made it to Mexico so fast. Oh, it's got numbers and everything. So we're out taking the Integra for a ride today. Thought we'd come visit some friends. This is my man Angel. You already met. Shane, you guys already know. And this is Nelson. We'll check out Nelson's Evo at some point. Check it out. About that one, buddy. What's up, brother? What's up, bro? Take a little ride with Buddha right here, so we can get a little footage of James' car up there. He wants to race you. So we ran up on this dude on this bike. We were like, yeah, let's race him, because we were in Buddha CRX, and we all know it's not very fast, just a stock motor. But it turns out I knew this dude. So here we go. We're gonna get him hooked up today. Thanks, Matt. Good looking out. That's what it is. All in.
All right, man.
All right, man.
Stay mad, bro.
That wraps us up for today. Another one in the books. You guys, stay mad.